Michelle here reviewing a multifunctional meat grinder. It has one set of meat claws. It has a burger slide press. It has 4 grinding blades, a built-in storage box in the back, which I'll show you in just a minute, and it has 2 blades. It's easy to clean. Some of the parts are dishwasher safe. There's no clogging in this machine. It has that triple speed adjustment. The blades include a coarse blade, which is 7 millimeters, a medium blade, which is 5 millimeters, that's what I have in here now, and then a fine blade, which is 2 millimeters. It has a very spacious tray, a wide output feed, 2 speed regulations that helps adapt to the ingredient, and it also helps reduce the wear on the motor. Not only that, it improves the safety of the machine. You make hamburgers and ground meat. You even have attachments for sausage and kubbe, and it's all right there at your fingertips. What a convenient machine. It's a commercial meat grinder, but it is great for home use as well. Thanks for watching my review.